Okay, let's have a look at bank reconciliations with Copilot. Bank reconciliations have been improved. Microsoft has added some Copilot functionality to make reconciling bank accounts a little bit easier and providing some assistance to people doing bank reconciliations. Let's have a quick look at that. If I go to Business Central, go to bank reconciliations, I just want to show you the old way of doing a bank reconciliation and the new way, just to give you a quick overview, a quick look at how it's changed. In the current version or the older version, if you did a bank reconciliation, you would go new. I'd have to choose a bank account. I'd have to enter the statement or calculate the statement balance. Let me make this a bit bigger. I'd have to calculate my statement balance. I might have to calculate my statement balance date. I would go to import my bank statement. And again, this works, obviously. Excuse me while I find the right file. This will import my bank statement file. Okay. And then I'd go to matching, and I can match with Copilot as well, or I can match manually, but I still have to put in my information here. So that's the old way. Nothing wrong with it. It works. But how is it different with Copilot? So if I do another reconciliation, it already knows my last bank account that I used. If I attach the same file that I did before, you'll see that Copilot has automatically imported the file, created a statement date, created a statement ending balance for me, and now it's going to try and do the matching for me as well. And you can see what's been matched. It knows that it's very confident with 2 of the 5 lines. The other lines, it's asking me to check, and I can click on these to see what it's matched to. If I like it, I can keep it. I'll show you that in a second. But one of the things I really wanted to show you is this post if fully applied. So after you're confident that your Copilot is effectively and doing your matching very well, if everything matches, if you click on this, it will create and post the bank reconciliation for you automatically, assuming everything matches. And that means it'll save you quite a lot of time. So if I keep this, create the bank reconciliation, you can see my statement ending balance is already entered for me. The statement date, not a big difference, but it's done it for me as one step. And you can see all my matching has been done for me. Note that different fields, so for example, here we have external document number is matched to external document number here. It also allows you, or it has the facility to be able to total 2 different amounts for the 7,000 and work out that those are the 2 amounts. So there's quite a lot of functionality in the background, or fuzzy logic, that allows the system to generate those matches for you. Lastly, with our bank charges, we can now transfer to General Journal, and not very different. Creates a journal for us. We can post it. Oops. What's happened there? For bank charges. I go back to my bank rec. Now everything's matched and I can post. So hopefully that's a quick overview of how Copilot's making bank recs easier. We think it's very useful, very helpful for those of you who are doing a lot of bank recs. That will certainly speed up that. Calculating your statement balance was always something that slowed users down.